So I've been having some misfire issues with my Jeep Cherokee, the 4-liter Jeep Cherokee. It's a 1997 Sport. And one of the things I'm doing to try to resolve the misfire is to change the ignition coil. And if any of you've tried changing an ignition coil on a Cherokee XJ before, it's in a really difficult place. This bolt here is actually really close to one of the engine mounts. So it makes it really difficult to get anything in there to actually undo that bolt. So what I did is I noticed there were some additional bolts underneath, and these two guys right here, and they just hold this bracket on. There's a couple of studs that go through here into the engine block, and they hold that bracket on, and so it's much easier to undo those two studs, pull the whole bracket off, then undo your two nuts, your two bolts for your ignition coil, and swap your ignition coil out, and then bolt the bracket back in with the two studs into the engine block. So I just figured that was a quick and easy way of getting the ignition coil out, and thought I'd share that with everybody.